Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable HLG HDR recording on your GoPro Mission 1 camera. So this recording mode is only available for regular video recording, low light recording, and also the loop recording modes. And in order to turn it on, we're gonna have to first of all select the supported mode, for example the low light. Then we're gonna have to go to the low light mode settings by tapping on the low light option, and after that we're gonna have to scroll down first to bitrate and the bit depth, and we have to change bit depth value to 10 bit. Then in bitrate we have to select either high or max. Let's select high, and after that we'll be able to select to enable HLG HDR and turn it on. Now be aware that this recording mode is only available for specific aspect ratios. For example, for low light recording, we can enable it for 16:9 with 4K resolution at 60, 30 or 24 FPS, or 9:60 with 4K and 30 FPS, or if you are using 4:3 aspect ratio, you have to set resolution to 4K and frame rate to either 30 or 24 FPS. For standard video recording, there are separate requirements for aspect ratio, resolution, and frame rate that can be found on the official GoPro support website. And right now this mode is enabled, and we can start using it right away by recording a sample video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.